Dubai launched its first electric fire engine in the Middle East and second in the world. Top officials, including the Dubai Civil Defense Director, Major General Rashid Thani al-Matrushi, attended the launch event at the World Trade Center. The truck is fully powered by electricity, and it's faster and more efficient than regular ones. It is environmentally friendly and safe. It takes less than 1 hour to fully recharge and can go around 500 kilometers. The vehicle is not just a further development or a new generation of an existing type, but it is the future of firefighting.